Previously, so we actually did this before but the camera fucked up, so we're gonna do it again. But Alex is just gonna shoot the gun because he got 4-4, so it's a three-way tie because we all got the same. Cause look, and then so we're just gonna let him shoot, and for your guys' entertainment, because we're gonna post this video. Alright, Alex, go ahead. Let's see if you can knock it down 4 times. If you do, I'll give you a bonus. I'll give you 1 more point if you knock all four of them down. Alright?
Okay.
Let's see if you can do it. Load that gun.
I think I'm gonna do it. I really do. Okay.
Alright, go. That counts. You did the exact same thing like the last time.
That's creepy.
You knocked that one out. Let's see if you can make the other one do a flip again. On the previous video, the can, we shot it off and it did a flip and it landed. Nope.
No!
Alright, you're gonna get that bonus point.
Done. Okay, and let's just wing it. I'm just gonna wing it. I'm gonna do something.
No, do that. Okay. Get back to your position.
I'm gonna do standing.
It's not even loaded, stupid.
Okay. It has a goal in there.
No, it's not loaded. Alright, go.
No! No!
You're not even gonna get 3 points. What the heck, boy? You should have never done that.
No. This is so neat.
And you failed. Alright, get your bullets. Put the gun. Give me the gun. Alright, so the last video is out already, so I'm just uploading it. So as you saw there, we did a three tie. Cause look, 4, 3, 3. So 3 plus 3 equals 6. Plus 4 more, that's 10. And then look, same thing. 4, 3, 3. 3, 4, 3. And then 4, 2, 4. So it's a three-way tie. So we all won. And well, that's going to be the end of this video. If you liked it, hit that like button, subscribe, and jingle that bell icon, because Christmas is over. And I will see you guys in another video.